Tanny Cooks here. Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious candy yams, the traditional soul food candy yams, but without any added sugar, right? This will not raise your insulin and is safe for diabetics. So let's get to cooking. So I'm just going to take my yams, I wash and dry them off, and then I'm going to peel them. I use a Titan peeler, Titan, that I bought from Amazon. Good quality, and I just peel my yams or sweet potatoes with that. So after I peel them, then I'm just going to cut them into 1/4-inch slices. You don't want them to be too thin because we're going to cook these on the stovetop, and you don't want them to boil out and disintegrate. So just the thickness you see in the picture here. So I'm going to put water into my pot, and I'm going to add some vegan butter as well as some pumpkin pie seasoning. So this is vegan style soul food candy yams. So I added my yams, I added my pumpkin pie spice, and I'm now adding some vanilla. Now if you don't have pumpkin pie spice by Badia, you can add your own cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger in the quantities that suit your taste buds. So I add my potatoes in layers, and then I add more seasoning, and then I add more layer potato, and then more seasoning. So that's what we're doing here. So this is the vegan butter. I use Earth Balance, soy-free in the red container. I believe Earth Balance does make several different varieties. And so that's the pumpkin pie spice. Add it to your desired liking. And I don't overdo it. At the end, you can taste it, and then you can add more at that time if you want more. Instead of vanilla, some people do add orange. Now, what makes it sugar-free is the fact that I'm using monk fruit. Monk fruit is a sweetener that you should definitely research. It will not raise your insulin. It's 100% sugar-free, but it tastes just like brown sugar. This is golden monk fruit. So for the 4 yams I'm using, I add about 2 cups of the monk fruit instead of brown sugar. Look at this, y'all. Look at how it boils up and cooks and make a delicious syrup. Perfect for those soul food lovers. Candied yams, y'all. Candied yams. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel.